Troubleshooting Spotify Wrapped 2021.
Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we're going to look at what you can do if your Spotify Wrapped 2021 isn't showing up. Spotify Wrapped is a yearly recap many look forward to, so let's get that issue sorted out for you.
Have you met the eligibility criteria?
First and foremost, not every Spotify user will receive a Wrapped. Here's why. New users, if you started using Spotify in late 2021, you might not have enough listening data for a Wrapped. Listening time. You need to have a minimum listening time throughout the year. If you rarely use the platform, that might be the reason.
Is your app updated?
Sometimes the issue is as simple as running an outdated version of the app. Update the app. Go to your device's app store and ensure you have the latest version of Spotify. Often, new features or content, like Wrapped, are supported in newer versions.
Have you checked all sections?
It's possible you missed the Wrapped section in the app. Here's where to find it. Home tab. Initially, Wrapped is prominently featured on the Home tab. Search. If you can't find it on the Home tab, type Wrapped in the search bar. It should pop up.
Clear cache and data.
Sometimes, old data or cache can hinder the app's performance. Clear cache. Go to Spotify's settings and find an option to clear the cache. This doesn't delete your playlists or favorites. Reinstall. As a last resort, reinstall the Spotify app. This often solves many glitches and issues.
Still no luck? Contact Spotify.
If you've tried everything and still can't access your Wrapped support, reach out to Spotify's customer support. They're there to help, and they can often resolve any issues or provide explanations. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully, these steps will guide you to your Wrapped 2021. Remember, Wrapped is a reflection of your music journey, so enjoy and happy listening.